video, guys. Today we have another good one for you. As you can tell by the title, this is something that every single truck does need, and that is some custom seat covers. These are made by Covercraft Industries, and if you've watched some of my boat videos, you know that they also make the boat covers. They make bimini tops, support pole systems for your bimini, ton of other stuff for boats, but also they do have a car line, and this is going to include seat covers. It's going to include some sun visors, floor mats. All of their information is down below, but today we're going to be taking a look at these custom-made seat covers. They are custom-made to order for every single vehicle. They fit very snug, couple hours to install, and the best part is that you do not have to pull any of your seats out. At least I didn't. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at these seat covers, and I'll talk about kind of what I did and how I got them in and give you a better close-up. Alrighty guys, so these are going to be the Endura Precision Fit Custom Seat Covers. Now, in the previous truck, the 2017 truck we had, if you noticed, we had the more brown Carhartt seat covers. Those are actually a Carhartt branded seat cover made by Covercraft. So this is our second set. This is a more softer fit. It's still the same custom fit. It does have padding in behind your seat, your headrest, and on the bottom as well. It is covered top and bottom, and it does include the cover for that as well. Everything does fit all in the edge. It does not hide any buttons. If you do have power seating, which I'll show you on the driver's side, everything is tucked in really nice. There are two separate pieces that strap underneath the seat itself. The headrest, which I told you are padded. Center console fits nice and snug underneath the plastic. I did go ahead and pull the bin out and these little side pieces off so that I could get that custom fit that I wanted. Alrighty, so rear seat covers fit very well. Once again, they are padded on the back, padded in the bottom. You have your headrest covers on both sides, including the middle one. Like I said, I did not have to take these back seat covers or these back seats out. I was able to get everything folded just the right way, and the only thing I had to do was undo this seat belt from the bottom, which is super simple. You just a quick unbolt and then you can pull it up. They do have covers on the bottom, so it does protect the bottom as well. Each of the back front pockets do have the back holders. Your back here has padding on it as well. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna leave you there. Hope everybody liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Most importantly, don't miss out on the rest of this build. We have a lot more things that we are gonna be doing. We have the lift kit on the way already. We have some tires possibly in the works, so we're still working on that. Most importantly, protect the interior of your truck. These are waterproof. They have tons of colors, they have tons of options, more than I can choose, so all their information is down below. I may put some screenshots up of just a couple different options that they do have on your color choices, and I wanted a more neutral look in this truck versus the old one with the Carhartt colors. Alrighty guys, so as I mentioned earlier, these things do come packaged front and rear, so there's no confusion on anything. They first come in a nice box. It does come in a nice zip-locked bag with instructions included. Everything you need for your car, make sure you go check them out and protect these seats. So we're gonna leave you here, and we will see you on the next one. Hope everybody liked the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you later.